Welcome to CAD Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be continuing part 2 of 2 videos covering the topic how to draw a tangent and normal from a point P to the given circle. We thank you for joining us and we hope to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we will be starting the video now. Height 4, we have more space. Enter, enter. This will be B. Alright? Now the line drawn from B, and B is where this semicircle intersects the circle. We're going to draw a line from P, right? So we're going to go line from P. We're going to turn on object snap. Going to go to P, from P to B. Enter. This line is a tangent. Now we normally extend it, right? So we're going to extend it. We're going to draw a construction. Now, can you remember the command that I used the last drawing to extend the line? What was the shortcut? EX. What's the name of the command? Extend. So you can either write EX or type it out. So what's the next step? When you click on the line, it will be extended. Enter. Right? Now, I need to extend it so I can label the word tangent on the outside. So I'm going to use a move command and move this line further out. Like that. Enter. So we're going to repeat the extend command. Extend. And when I click on it, there it is extended. Enter. So I'm going to do and delete this line. And I'm going to draw the normal now, and then I label. So the normal would be from B to A. Enter. Alright. So I'm going to label now the tangent right. You're going to turn off object snap. I'm going to click right here. The height would be 4. The rotational angle would be 120. Alright, so we're going to label this tangent. We need to rotate it. Alright, so we're going to rotate. We click on the object, enter. The base point, we're going to choose T. And just rotate it just like that. I'm going to label the word normal below here. I'm going to make the height of the text 3 millimeters so it can hold below. Alright, I want to be able to see the arc, the construction arc, so I'm going to put it below. So I'm going to go text, single line text. I'm going to choose right here. The height would be 3. Enter. The angle would be 60. So I'm going to label this normal. See? All right. Now this would have completed our drawing, yes? What we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the normal and tangent on the layer called outline, which we made early on in today's video. We made a layer called outline. So when we click on it, see the line weight is now changed to 0.3. Or if you're using the traditional instruments, you would have used your 3H pencil or 2H pencil to darken the tangent and the normal. Now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna set out the dimensions for the circle. All right. So we're gonna indicate the radius for the circle. So we're gonna go this. I'm gonna put it on the outside. No, it is. I want to make the dimensions bigger, so I'm gonna type the dim D to get the dim style command. Press enter. I'm gonna click modify, the modify tab here. Then under the fit tab, so there are different tabs. I'm gonna change 1 to 2. Backspace 2. Press OK. And when I close it, it will become bigger. All right. Also, You can go back to dim style. You can go to modify. And on the primary units where you see comma, where you see decimal separator, we can change it to a period. And we can also change the precision there to 0. And then now when you press OK, close, see that now 92. All right. So we're going to indicate the distance here. So we're going to go linear and we're going to measure this measurement. We're going to turn on object snap and we're going to go from here to there. That is 20. Good. Then we're going to remove this and then we're going to measure from A and we're going to come down. All right. So this is our completed drawing. What we can do, we're going to label what we did a while ago. So we're going to go multi-line text. We're going to draw the rectangle area where we want to fit our text. So we're going to write to construct a tangent and normal to a given circle to a point P that is outside the circle. All right, so this is our completed drawing for this part of the video because we have 4 things to draw, okay? All right, so good job. Then, all right, the next thing, we're going to put the center lines on the drawing for the circle. So we're going to go line, this point to this point, enter. This point to that point, enter. Enter this point to this point, enter. Now we're going to use a join command to join the lines. All right, so we click this. We click this line, press enter. Click this line. Did we draw the other line that we know? So let us draw. Line. Do we have a line there? No. So we're going to go line from this line, enter. So we're going to go join. And we click this line and this line, enter. This line is now so we go line. All right, so let's go again. Join this, so we click this line and this line, enter. There's our center line. So good. Now the center line, as I said, normally extend about, we need a turn off snap and object snap. It's normally about 2 millimeters or 3 millimeters beyond the circle. Likewise here, so we can come down and put it about there. All right, so good job. This is the end of the drawing. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we finalize the construction of the normal and tangent from a point P to the given circle. In the next drawing, we'll be looking at mechanical engineering drawing. So we hope to see you in that video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell like, comment, and share.